everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly indispensable accessory for anyone relying on their Tascam digital recorders, the Marg USB power charging cable. Specifically designed for models like the Dr. 70D, Dr. 44WL, Dr. 10X Mini, Dr. 10SG, and the Dr. 08 handheld portable digital recorder, this cable promises to keep your essential audio gear powered up and ready for action. One of the standout features of this Marg USB cable is its commitment to efficient charging. Users will immediately notice the rapid charging capabilities, which means less downtime waiting for devices to power up and more time capturing pristine audio. It's designed to get your Tascam recorder back to full power quickly and efficiently, a crucial aspect for professionals and enthusiasts alike who can't afford to miss a moment. Beyond its speed, the cable boasts a remarkably compact design. Its sleek profile makes it highly portable, an absolute dream for anyone who needs to charge on the go or while traveling. Whether it's tucked into a camera bag, a laptop case, or even a pocket, this adapter won't add unnecessary bulk, ensuring that your setup remains as streamlined as possible. This portability is a significant advantage for field recorders who are constantly moving between locations. Reliability is another cornerstone of the Marg USB power charging cable's performance. It delivers stable power to compatible devices every single time, providing peace of mind that your valuable Tascam recorder is receiving consistent and safe energy. This dependable performance is vital for maintaining the longevity and optimal operation of sensitive electronic equipment. Furthermore, the manufacturer has equipped this cable with advanced safety features. These include robust overcharging and overheating protection, which are critical for safeguarding your devices during the charging process. Knowing that your expensive Tascam recorder is protected from potential electrical mishaps allows users to charge with confidence, whether overnight or during a quick power-up before a session. In essence, the Marg USB power charging cable is more than just a simple cord. It's a reliable, efficient, and safe power solution tailored for Tascam digital recorders. Its combination of rapid charging, compact portability, stable power delivery, and comprehensive safety features makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their recording workflow uninterrupted and their devices protected. It truly enhances the user experience by providing a hassle-free charging solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.